Hello. Cut.
Hello! Today we are going to be taking Thomas, and we are going to be taking him out,
in public
and catching people's reactions. So this should be really funny. Our cameraman, is going to have a walkie-talkie, and he's gonna be telling me, to do some embarrassing stuff, and I'm gonna do it, and it's gonna be, really awkward. Okay, yeah. Okay, so I've got the walkie-talkie, and now I am getting inside Thomas.
Are you okay?
Yeah. This is very comfortable. Alright, here we go.
Okay, you ready?
Yeah.
Jeez. I don't know. I went down a hill. This is really annoying. I'm gonna go to the sidewalk. Oh god. I don't think you guys know how bad this is. I'm aware of that. Oh god. This isn't working as well as we thought. Oh god. I wouldn't do this if I were you. Are you recording? Record horizontal. This is very fun. I'm gonna run into you.
Oh god. I can't see where I'm going really. So like I may not be like getting many shots of you, but you get the point.
It's fine.
You can edit this.
Oh shoot.
Hello. You like Thomas? Okay.
Why did we think this was a good idea?
I'm not actually sure.
This is very dumb.
Dude, my arm's falling off.
Well then put it back on.
He has eye holes or something.
Yeah, hello. Oh, this is not fun. 1 out of 10, don't recommend.
So I ready to take a lap around this park.
Okay. Hello.
Also have to blow your whistle as often as you can and yell hello everybody, or whatever Thomas says.
Hello. Hi. Thank you.
Alright, so around this point, you'll notice that the audio has completely cut out except for me, and that is because I cut the audio in editing. Basically, we had realized that my walkie-talkie that I had in the train fell out, and so me and cameraman went to go check it out and see if the walkie-talkie was still working or if it was broken. And as we were testing this, I was about 20 feet away from him, and this random lady, probably in her mid-30s, walked by me, and this happened.
I think we should get out of here.
Dude, that's scary.
Okay, so we are going to break a world record by driving Thomas down this hill. So this should be interesting. Oh, this is such a bad idea. Oh!
It's Thomas.
Ding! Hello, audience. We're going to get Starbucks because we're thirsty. You know how many license plates I'm gonna have to blur? This is insane. Okay, go. We've made it to our destination. Hello, so we made it back. That's Thomas right there. Slight issue. There's currently a yellow jacket inside of Thomas, and we don't know how to get it out. Okay, I'm gonna shoot it, and then you're gonna go up and open the door, okay?
No.
Yes.
No.
3, 2, 1. Go, go!
No, no, no.
Where is it? Okay, it is currently right there. If it flies out, I'm basically dead. Oh! 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 Shit!
You hit him dead on, dude.
I didn't expect to actually do that.
God.
Is it out?
Doubtful.
Let's go, let's go, let's go.
Dude, it comes back. Did you kill it?
I think so.
Oh, hey, it's right there.
Oh, shoot.
Oh, dude, it's wobbly. It was wobbly.
Zoom in on that. There's like a whole nest up there. Oh, shoot. Okay, we did it, everybody, ladies and gentlemen. If you want to see more of this, then click the subscribe button. And if you hated this video, click the like button. And if you get enough, if we get enough likes, then instead of putting Thomas on a bike, we're gonna put him on a go-kart, and then we'll make a longer video. This was kind of just a test, so yeah, if you want to see more of Thomas, then click the like button. Okay, thank you for watching. Goodbye.